Next, everyone, what is a preposition? A preposition is a word that shows the relationship between words in a sentence, isn't it? It helps us understand how things are connected, like place, time, direction, or reason. First, let us look at preposition or place. This tells us where something is. For example, the book is on the table. Here, on shows the position of the book. We also use in, under, and between. They help us describe location clearly. Alright, so I hope you understand this part, everyone. Next, prepositions of time. This tells us when something happens. For example, we study in the morning. We also use at, on, before, and after. They help us organize time in our sentences. Alright, so I hope you remember and understand clearly. Now, we talk about prepositions of movement or direction. These show where someone or something is going. For example, she goes to school. The word to shows direction. We also use into, onto, and from. They show movement from one place to another. Alright? It is simple, right, everyone? Next, prepositions of cause or reason. This explains why something happens. For example, cancelled because of rain, or the game was stopped due to rain. This helps us give reasons clearly. Okay, everyone? Now, this is an important point for you. A preposition is always followed by a noun or a pronoun. This is called the object of the preposition. Okay, everyone? I hope you understand about this. For example, in the room, it means the room is the object. With her, it means her is the object. So we never leave a preposition alone. I hope everyone understand about this part. So remember everyone, prepositions help us show place, time, direction, and reason. They connect ideas and make our sentences clearer.